Hey creative minds, welcome back to the channel. Y'all know how much I love creating a warm and inviting space, and for me, that extends beyond just home decor. It's about filling your home with heart, and what better way to do that than with personalized gifts crafted with love? Today, we're diving into the world of personalized gifts, the kind that make people say, wow, this was made just for me. In a world filled with mass-produced items, a handmade and customized gift holds unmatched sentimental value. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, wedding, or holiday celebration, a thoughtfully crafted gift can make someone's day extra special. There's just something so special about receiving a gift that someone poured their heart and soul into making. It shows you truly care and that you put thought and effort into creating something uniquely for them. Plus, it's a great way to unleash your creativity and experiment with different materials and techniques. By the end of this video, you'll be brimming with DIY gift ideas for any occasion, complete with step-by-step tutorials and pro tips to make your gifts truly shine. Let's jump in and start creating. Alright, let's kick things off with these charming custom wooden coasters. I love the rustic, natural feel of wood, and these coasters are so easy to personalize, making them perfect for birthdays, housewarmings, or even just a thoughtful thinking of you gift. Step 1 is gathering your materials. You'll need some wood slices, which you can find at most craft stores, sandpaper, a wood burner or paint markers, and a sealant. Now let's get started. First things first, we need to give our wood slices a good sanding. This will create a smooth surface for our design. Next, it's time to get creative. You can use a stencil or freehand sketch the name, initials, or even a special date onto the wood slice. Don't be afraid to get a little playful with fonts and designs. If you're using a wood burner, carefully trace over your design. The heat from the burner creates a beautiful rustic effect. If you're going with paint markers, apply 2 to 3 coats for bold, vibrant lettering. I love the look of black paint on natural wood, but feel free to experiment with different colors that suit your recipient's style. Once your design is complete and the paint is dry, it's time to seal our coasters. This step is crucial for protecting them from moisture and wear, especially since they'll be hanging out with drinks. A simple spray sealant will do the trick. Just apply a few even coats, letting it dry completely between each coat. And for an extra touch of polish, consider adding some felt pads to the bottom of the coasters. This will prevent them from scratching your furniture and add a nice finished look. And there you have it, beautiful, personalized wooden coasters that are sure to impress. Next up, we're diving into the world of adorable baby gifts with these personalized onesies. These are so much fun to make and are always a hit at baby showers. Plus, they're incredibly easy. First, you'll need some plain onesies in various sizes. I like to stock up on white and pastel colors, so I have plenty of options. Next, decide on your design. You can create a custom design on your computer like the baby's name, a funny phrase, or an adorable illustration. Once you have your design ready, it's time to bring it to life. You can use a vinyl cutting machine to cut out your design on iron-on vinyl. If you don't have a vinyl cutter, no worries. You can find pre-cut iron-on letters at most craft stores, or even get creative with fabric markers for a hand-drawn touch. Once you have your design ready to go, place it on your onesie, making sure it's centered and straight. Then, using an iron or a heat press, carefully apply heat to the design, following the instructions on your vinyl or iron-on letters. The heat will bond the design to the fabric, making it permanent and washable. Now, if you don't have vinyl or iron-on letters, don't fret. Fabric markers are a fantastic alternative. Simply trace your design onto the onesie using a light box or a window to see through the fabric. Once you're happy with your tracing, color in your design with fabric markers. These markers are designed to be permanent on fabric even after washing. And there you have it, adorable personalized onesies that are sure to make the new parents smile. Chapter 3, DIY Photo Ornaments. Capture memories in sparkling holiday cheer. Let's add a touch of personalized magic to the holiday season with these DIY photo ornaments. These ornaments are so easy to make and are a beautiful way to display cherished memories on your Christmas tree or give as heartfelt gifts. First, gather your supplies. You'll need clear glass or plastic ornaments, small printed photos, Mod Podge, both matte and gloss finish, a foam brush, and some ribbon or twine for hanging. Now let's create. Start by choosing your favorite photos. I love using family photos from holiday gatherings or special occasions. Resize and print your photos to fit comfortably inside your ornaments. You can trim them into circles or squares, or get creative with different shapes. Once your photos are ready, carefully insert them into the ornaments. Now, for the fun part. Using a foam brush, apply a thin layer of Mod Podge to the inside of the ornament, directly over the photo. This will secure the photo in place and give it a nice finished look. You can use either matte or gloss Mod Podge, depending on your preference. I personally love the shine of gloss Mod Podge for that extra sparkle. For an extra touch of holiday magic, sprinkle some glitter or decorative confetti inside the ornament before the Mod Podge dries. Once the Mod Podge is dry, thread a ribbon or twine through the top of the ornament for hanging. And there you have it. Beautiful, personalized photo ornaments that will bring back cherished memories year after year. Chapter 4. Personalized painted mugs, sip in style with custom creations for coffee lovers. Calling all coffee lovers and tea enthusiasts. These personalized painted mugs are the perfect way to add a touch of personality to your morning routine or create a one-of-a-kind gift for that special someone who can't start their day without their favorite beverage. First, gather your materials. You'll need plain ceramic mugs, oil-based paint markers in various colors, a pencil, and an oven. Now let's get creative. Before you start painting, make sure your mugs are clean and dry. Then use a pencil to lightly sketch your design onto the mug. This will help you stay within the lines and create a neat, polished look. You can write names, initials, inspiring quotes, or even draw cute illustrations. Once you're happy with your pencil sketch, it's time to bring your design to life with oil-based paint markers. These markers are fantastic because they're permanent and dishwasher safe once cured in the oven. Trace over your pencil lines with the paint markers, taking your time and letting each color dry before moving on to the next. For a more whimsical look, experiment with different lettering styles, doodles, and patterns. Once you're finished painting, allow the mugs to air dry for at least 24 hours. This will ensure that the paint is completely dry before curing. After the mugs have air dried, it's time to bake them in the oven to set the paint and make them dishwasher safe. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the mugs for 30 minutes. Let them cool completely in the oven before handling. Chapter 5. Custom Resin. Jewelry, elegant and personalized gifts for weddings and anniversaries. For our final DIY gift idea, we're adding a touch of elegance and sophistication with custom resin jewelry. These pieces are perfect for weddings, anniversaries, or any special occasion where you want to give a gift that's as unique and beautiful as the recipient. First, gather your supplies. You'll need resin casting epoxy, resin jewelry molds in various shapes, jewelry findings such as jump rings, earring hooks, and necklace chains, mixing cups and stirrers, gloves, and any decorative elements you want to include in your resin, such as dried flowers, glitter, or small charms. Now let's get started. Working in a well-ventilated area and wearing gloves to protect your skin, carefully measure and mix your resin and hardener according to the instructions on your resin packaging. It's crucial to follow the ratio precisely for the resin to cure properly. Once your resin is mixed, slowly pour it into your chosen jewelry molds. You can get creative with different mold shapes, from geometric designs to delicate florals. While the resin is still wet, add your chosen decorative elements. Gently press them into the resin, making sure they're evenly distributed. Once you're happy with your design, use a toothpick or a pin to remove any air bubbles that may have formed in the resin. Now it's time to let your resin cure. Cover your molds with a cardboard box or a piece of plastic wrap to prevent dust from settling on the surface. Allow the resin to cure for at least 24 hours, or as instructed on your resin packaging. Once the resin is completely cured, it's time to demold your creations. Gently flex the molds to release the resin pieces. Attach your jewelry findings using jump rings and pliers. And there you have it. Stunning, one-of-a-kind resin jewelry pieces that are sure to be treasured for years to come. And there you have it. You now have a treasure trove of personalized gift ideas for every occasion. From rustic wooden coasters to elegant resin jewelry, these DIY gifts are sure to impress and show your loved ones how much you care. Remember, the most important ingredient in any handmade gift is love. Pour your heart into each creation and your thoughtfulness will shine through. Which DIY gift idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you loved this video and want to see more creative DIY projects, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more inspiration. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Until next time, keep crafting, keep gifting, and make every moment personal.